again, as AFA proved to be included to be in the National. They're another great paper. So Mark Sicker, you support them, again, buy their hard copies, you subscribe to them, and actually it was a centre spread article. So again, it's a but then again, the title AI could destroy the Scots lead for future generations. Hate the article in English, by the way. So that's another thing I didn't mention. So the first time I was in the papers, I was half approved it was in Scots. So Colin Mill says, "Skrive it about your news in Scots." So a first Scots language news website, the first time it featured in the papers, it was in Scots. So again, that's half a we just kind of forgetting that Scots is a thing. Again, you're not going to stamp us out or tell us it's Nathan or tell us it's just a dialect of English or anything like that. And even if it is Dakar, you're not going to stop us doing what we're doing. We're going to carry on doing it. You can't stop us from doing what we can do. But anyway, but she was raising some affagweed points about getting like folks stealing other folks' work. That's one of the things that oorNews is we're Mark Sicker that we never take the work at other folk. Say I'll write articles or scribe it for either press releases or for sources that are copyright free. We just didn't attack the work of other journalists, other authors, and then rewrite it and call it our own. That's nae what we do. But press releases are other papers do and talk as the sources for a lot of the articles that you see and you read. And we can do the same. And with AI, it can accelerate, for what I can do. But there's still a lot of manual intervention. I'll get into that a wee bit more, but particularly from speaking about the Herald article. But anyway, in this scene, she's gone on about the fact that again, some of the major AI potentially stolen her work, and that's naegweed, not again. Folk stealing folks' work, naegweed, don't like it. But the major LLMs, they're nice at Scots. You can hear, look, here, try. In my opinion, they're nice. They cannot produce Doric. They can produce maybe Stonor, Central Scots, in a fairly passable way, but again, some of it's just it's not quite right. It'll change the register of it. So that's what I'm trying to do with oorNews. It's serious Scots. Again, it's not just like it doesn't change. It doesn't make it sound couthy and kind of different. It's just trying to be in Scots. But anyway, yeah. So but as I figured that she wouldn't put in some of the quotes from her. So it's a good article. Again, I can't fault Emigre for that. Again, it's a balanced, good article. She got across her points, and her points are valid, and it's worth listening to. And she put across mine and so it's brought work. So happy with that.